Hello and welcome to your personalized experience with QR Guard, a unique online platform that allows users to easily manage their fiber cable inventory, keep track of previous installation records, view written guidelines of cable handling tips, and watch fiber access demonstration videos. This video will guide you through the QR Guard distributor exclusive view and learn how to manage your fiber assets efficiently. Quick View is designed to give a straightforward overview of key information of your inventory. It's accessible from scanning the QR code on every Navigator reel or visiting the Navigator QR Guard main website. Let's take a quick look. Here you can log into your account and then go to Inventory Details to view the complete inventory list, and use filters on the top of the page to narrow down your selection. You may also click Detail to view the installation records associated with this reel of fiber cable. The installation records are categorized based on the constructor. You will be able to see information such as footage, image of cable marking, operation timestamps, and GPS locations for both the start and end point of the installation. Moving on to the advanced view, it is designed to incorporate inventory management tools, and it's accessible via visiting the QR Guard distributor website. First up is the cable inventory view. Here you can see the full list of cables inventory, and applying filters on the top of the page will narrow down your selection. Users can micromanage cables via using the Assign or Bulk Assign function to assign them to different downstream entities. Clicking on Details to view the specifics of that reel of cable, and test reports may be downloaded for verification purpose. Installation records are archived based on reel numbers, and you may click on Details to view the specifics of the installation record, including images of cable marking and OTDR test results from Smart Reel Test connectors. Last but not least, Comment section is where you will be able to view the comments from users for production and service optimization. Unlock the full potential of QR Guard and experience the streamlined fiber management system together with Navigator.